Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on how to stop Skype from automatically opening when starting up Windows 10 or 11. The last step will be most crucial in this process, so make sure to keep watching till the end of this video to not miss any steps. Now, let's get started. So if you have Skype installed on your PC, you just simply have to click on the Ctrl, Shift, Escape buttons on your keyboard exactly at the same time. Then you have here a menu which have all kinds of functionalities, but we have to click on the Start Up button. And this is a list of all kinds of softwares that will automatically start upon starting of your computer. So in the case we want to prevent Skype from automatically starting up, we just go to the Skype software and we right click it. In this case I had already disabled the software, however you can still start it on, or you still can stop it from automatically starting up. It is important to notice that you have to restart your computer, otherwise this method will not work. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.